Have you ever wanted to do a mural on your garage door for a special holiday? Here in my hand, Minetom. This is a Halloween mural. First things to know, 7x16 garage door. If you got a single garage door, it's not gonna work. We've got string, we've got some magnets, 4 hook magnets, and we have the mural. A skull that shows it on a garage door. And it's on canvas. It's kind of windy out here today. And you're going to put a rope at every grommet. And the way I do it is you just fold these in half, like so. Pull that through. So you've got the circle up there, then just pull the 2 through like that and pull. And see, now you have 2 ropes into 1 grommet. Now, attempting to do this all by myself, what I'm going to do is I got the garage door open and I'm going to lay it. I can see the whole garage door. I'm going to lay it up here. I'm going to stretch it out, make sure it's facing the right direction because I've got the top marked. Tie around my... You want to make it so that you can adjust these if you make a slip knot, because you're going to have to pull it down the other side. All right, I've got it started, so it's helpful if you have 2 people. I'm doing it all by myself, but these need to be much longer because I've only got so many mounting points on the back of the garage door. So each one of these strings from the grommet, because you want to get this tight, right? So you got to go all the way through and then go through your seam of your door. But your door has to be partially opened in order to get these through. My door is super, super tight. So I got a lot more of these, 16 total that I've got to tie up. It's going to take quite some time. It looks great, but be aware, it's a project. So my door is bigger than 17 feet. So ideally, 7x17 would make this job a lot easier because then it would be edge to edge and my ropes. It is pretty cool. So happy Halloween when the time comes. Woo!